Mmm.
Mmm. Yummy.
Send some of these to your mother.
Definitely.
You like that van life, though.
I mean, my thing is.
That's the last time I went.
Really?
Remnants of our beautiful fire. And as you can probably hear, there's ripper winds. Looking down over the town of Rain. There's a bunch of dark clouds in the sky and possibility of some severe thunderstorms, high winds, and probably some rain. So.
Thank you, Andy. Thank you, weatherman.
Yeah. Obviously, we didn't check the weather before we came up here. Otherwise, maybe we would have checked something in the lower elevations
Yeah.
before we came. So we like the weather. As long as it's safe.
All right. Thanks.
Signing off.
Signing off, and back to you, Natalie, in the.
Lovely dude.
Okay.
I'll turn on the flashlight. I find the nice coals. You ready for a really artistic picture?
Mm-hmm. On fire.
Oh, with that good pole, no.